This video will introduce how to use the GEM Guardian management platform, from class management to student GEM usage, and finally learning analysis to understand student learning outcomes. This section will introduce the use, management, and analysis of GEM Guardian. First, let's look at the management platform where teachers log in. First-time users only need to enter the relevant URL, otherwise, they will need to register an account. Enter GEM Guardian's URL in the address bar to access the management platform's login page. This demonstration shows the management interface after registering and logging in with an account. The left side features an overview of management, including class management, GEM modules, activity logs, settings, and logout. The middle section displays the dashboard and recent activities. After logging in, the first step for teachers is to create a class by entering the class name and creating a classroom. Click the GEM module option on the left side of the management interface to enter the GEM module management page. Teachers can add Google Gemini gems here. There are two ways to add them. One is to use a gem that the teacher has already created, and the other is to refer to the gem examples in our AI Education Academy if the teacher does not have their own gem. This provides a variety of teaching GEM templates, covering elementary, junior high, and high school levels. Each gem can be copied by linking or copying the hint value for use. Click to copy the icon to obtain the gem link. Then return to the management platform to add the new file. Paste the copied URL back into the management platform, name the gem, and click Add. Then return to class management, enter the newly created class name, enable the newly added gem, and set the time students can use it. Teachers can adjust this according to their teaching needs. Click on the class name to enter the class management page. Click to enable GEM Guardian to manage and monitor student use of Google Gemini gems. Specify the duration for which students can use GEM. Adjust relevant settings and fine-tune individual functions according to teaching needs. Remember to click Save Settings, and then we'll demonstrate the operation on the student side. Install the extension. Installation can be done either by students themselves or by the school through a push notification from the Google administration backend. After the broadcast is complete, students can enable the extended features and choose from 3 language interfaces. They should then select to log in with their Google account. Students need to know the course code created by the teacher. Students enter a course code to join the classroom. After a student clicks to join, the expanded features will display the course name, teacher name, and available gems. Students click to use the gem authorized by the teacher. Students begin using gem. A prompt will appear on the screen. Students can click Submit to begin a conversation. A conversation between a student and gem. This management platform is very simple, making it easy for teachers and students to use. The third stage is the most important part, the activity log section, which, in addition to management functions, also includes important analytical features. Click on a student in History 1 class to view detailed information. Click on Demo S1 student to view their activity history. The activity log allows you to view student conversations and download CSV files for analysis. Clicking on a file will bring up the GEM tool for analyzing the conversations. If teachers are unsure how to analyze the data, they can click Submit, and the system will guide them through the process. Analysis data in CSV or text format must be provided. Click to agree to comply with Google's policies and avoid generating content that infringes on the rights of others or is harassing. Click the Start Upload Files button to prepare to upload the files needed for analysis. Upload the downloaded CSV file for analysis. The system will prompt you to enter the grade and subject information. After entering the relevant data, click Submit and wait for the analysis results. Click the confirmation prompt to verify that the list and subject information are correct, and reply Continue to start the analysis. The system will automatically process and provide results once the analysis and diagnosis are initiated. Finally, individual feedback is generated, providing differentiated learning analysis to assist teachers in adjusting their teaching for each student. This video covers the use, management, and analysis of the GEM Guardian Management Platform, enabling teachers to effectively understand individual student learning feedback and improve teaching quality.